I've had a dream since I was your age that one day I would have
international control of the world.
I would consider my life to be fulfilled and would be most grateful if you would sell me your
Selector.
I can't sell him. I don't own him.
Well, who owns him?
Oh my God! I guess. He just came to me. He only goes to those who need him.
Come stroll on the sands of the lands of the earth. Going life is the goal, painted toe within. You can know in the sky, but understand in the dirt. Our soul never ends, let the show begin. You can hold in your hands all the lands of the earth. Throwing dice that you roll for the souls of men. When the sky turns purple, sound the red alert. In the end, we go in, let the show begin. Yeah, come see what the young ones dream. Or none but the one is the sum of the team. Come clean, spring run through your bloodstream. Drop seeds, don't chop trees under the sunbeams. Come be who you true won't be. Liberty's a lady, but she don't come free. Don't make me spell it out like ABC. This is caveman Shingo with J-O-E. Speak a dialect, the higher sex. Ground now, sky is next. Heaven sent medicine, rise above the side effects. Take a breath, take a step. We gonna ride to death that I direct. Thus says the Lord, lay your pride to rest. If you have a heart inside your chest, you a light in the dark. Don't deny the quest. Lion heart, art, hard as iron. Built the ark as iron icon. Strike icon, sound the sirens.
Hey yo, I've got a friend in Afghanistan. No joke, he's there to give a lending hand to the people in need of all kinds of hope, so they know how to get through the day in cold. And that way, ain't it all the same around the globe though? Just to survive, we need to build like Lego. Kill the egos and let the pathos go. Live proper and prosper and all that good stuff and tough luck. And then what? You fucked up, they try to tell you. If it don't work for them, probably fail you the one time and ask for help. Should've known how the law operates by now. So quick to punish it, so slow to insist. Better chance finding air in a deep abyss. Get a grip, my friend. Very little time left till the story ends. All bets are off and it all depends whether the gods work it out with the golden pens. Deja vu all over again. Looping in a cycle like a roller link low. The same civilization who stole the obelisk, killed the sun god and carried out the monolith. Men and melanin frisk to the pure honorless. You can't get away with like sampling Nautilus. What I mean is every second is precious. We make the music to alleviate the pressures. Don't blame the game, might as well play to win. We got the crowd waiting, let the show begin. Come on.
Stroll on the sands of the lands of the earth. Going life is the goal, painted toe within. You can know in the sky, but understand in the dirt. Our soul never ends, let the show begin. You can hold in your hands all the lands of the earth. Throwing dice that you roll for the souls of men. When the sky turns purple, sound the red alert. In the end, we go in, let the show begin. And did I mention birth is the entrance to the trenches, work the third of the system? And did I mention the worst of intentions? Vengeance is vicious, swim with the fishes. But did I mention it's them that's in prison and they can't take nothing from you that you don't give them? And did I mention the war with the senses, fight against self though I was sworn to defend it? And did I mention divine intervention, the kind that you find at the prime of existence, at the height of your flight from addiction to all conflict and blind superstition? And did I mention it is done as it is written, rise and shine, son, and fall behind in your mission? This ain't a war of jealousy or petty competition, it's a question of our destiny, it's time for a decision.
In a democracy, not only the majority opinion, but even the dissenting opinion can be expressed.
Regardless, told the goddess. Take it back to my origin. Get out.
Skate, tercer lugar. Diego Farios. ¿Qué pasó? Mejor igual para los juegos.
¡Qué fino! A ver, que tenemos aquí.
Que lo muestre, que lo muestre. Va. ¿Dónde está mi compadre? Sí, Gaps. Gaps. Vamos, Claudio. Se las puso todas.
Se las puso Claudito.
Grande.
Skater.
Flow.
Más adelante la Flow.
Premio a la motivación. Florty. Pero bueno, es sabio.
Está echadita ahí en la cama. Sí, creo. ¿Cómo te fue?
Bien. No, está... ¿Cómo se llama? Que me tendría ahí tú, yo creo que tengo como 3 cajetillas, weón.